I made this question myself, and just for get involved some nice methods in integration. And now this is a definite integral cosine fourth x times cosine 2x times cosine x dx. Okay, well, I believe there are some other ways to do it, but I don't think it will be, well, very easy. I mean, at least you will get many steps to do before get a result. Now, I do this way. I cosine 4x, cosine 2x, cosine x dx. I multiply sine x both top and the bottom. What? Sine x is not zero, right? It's approaching to zero. So it should be okay. Now then sine x cosine x is a half sine 2x, right? So I write 2 here, sine x, and cosine 4x, cosine 2x, and sine 2x dx. Is equal. Then again, sine 2x cosine 2x is 1/2 sine 4x, right? So this one is equal to cosine 4x. This is sine 4x times half, right? Dx. And again, this is a 1/2 sine 8x. So this is a 8 sine x and sine 8x dx. So our integral now becomes this integral. Well, I believe there are a couple of ways to do it, but it wouldn't be that easy. But okay, I use this way. I use a complex number, sine theta is equal to e to the sine I minus e to the negative theta I divided by 2I. Okay, good. Then this integral becomes integral from 0 to half pi. 1/8 I take out. This will be e to the 8I minus e to the negative 8I over e to the I x there's 8x xi minus e to the negative xi, right? Because the 2I cancel out. Yeah, I think this should be okay. Now this was equal to 1/8, and this is e to the xi minus e to the negative xi. Now, the, this is equal to e to the 4xi, this is better, plus e to the 4x negative, multiplied by e to the 4xi minus e to the 4xi. Yeah, just simple factorization. Now then, this one can factor again. This is e to the 4xi plus e to the negative 4xi. This becomes e to the 2xi plus e to the negative 2xi multiplied by e to the 2xi minus e to the negative 2xi, right? And this one can be further factored. So this one equal to this times e to the xi plus e to the negative xi multiply e to the xi minus e to the negative xi. Okay, this is this, this is this, this is what do we have here? And then this cancel with the denominator, right? So let me not jump. Okay, this is equal to e to the 4xi plus e to the negative 4xi e to the 2xi plus e to the negative 2xi times e to the xi plus e to the negative xi and e to the xi minus e to the negative xi and a dx. And this cancels with that, right? So it's it becomes this. It becomes e to the 4xi plus e to the negative 4xi times e to the negative positive 2xi plus e to the negative 2xi times xi plus e to the negative xi dx. Wow, lots of details. Now then this becomes e to the 4xi plus e to the negative 4xi. I expand these two, multiply them out, and see this time this one first. This one is e to the 3xi. And this one time this one, right? It is plus e to the negative 3xi. And this one time this one plus e to the xi. This one time this one is plus e to the negative xi. Wow. Yeah, okay. This is e to the 4xi plus e to the negative 4xi multiplied by e to the 3xi plus e to the negative 3xi plus e to the xi plus e to the negative xi and dx. Wow. Then let's expand these two together again. Well, I just work out the rough work paper first. I don't want to make any mistake. Okay, this one time this one is 7xi. Right? This one time this one plus e to the xi. This one time that one plus e to the 5xi. This one time that one plus e to the 3xi. Then this one time this one. Let me write here. This one time this one is negative e to the negative xi plus. This one time this one plus e to the negative 7xi. This one time this one plus e to the negative 3xi. This one time this one negative 5xi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 2 times 4, yeah, 8. Now then I put them in order. So this this one is equal to 1/8. I put them in order. 7, 7, just one pair. 5, 5, another pair, right? Plus 3, 3, another pair. 1, 1, other pair. See, we have 4 pairs. So one pair is e to the 7xi plus e to the negative 7xi. That's one pair plus e to the 5xi plus e to the negative 5xi plus e to the 3xi plus e to the negative 3xi plus e to the xi plus e to the negative xi. Altogether, dx. Well, it's quite nice. And then we have a basic formula. Cosine x is equal to half xi, right, plus e to the negative xi. If this cosine nx, which is equal to e to the nxi plus e to the negative nxi, right? So there are. This is a. Well, let me write carefully. There's 2 here, right? So e to the nxi plus e to the negative xni is equal to 2 cosine. So all the common factor 2. This becomes cosine 7x plus this is cosine 5x. This is cosine 3x. This is plus cosine x dx. Right? I take 2 out. 2 is a common factor. So this becomes a 1/4. Well, this integral is easier, right? Is equal to 7th sine 7x, isn't it? Plus 1/5 sine 5x plus 1/3 cosine 3x plus sine x from 0 to half pi. Well, this is a 1/4, 7 half pi. 7 half pi. Well, it's 7 half pi for sine, right? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's -1, right? -1. No, 7th, huh? Plus 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is positive. And plus 1/3. 1, 2, 3 is the -1. Plus 1. Huh? Yeah, this one is equal to 1/4 negative plus positive negative plus 1. Well, this is just calculation. This common factor 105. This is negative 15. Right? It's negative positive 21. This is minus 35 plus 105. Yeah, this is a 1/4. This is 50. This is 50, 29, 76. Yeah, it's equal to 9, 105. Well, this is a homemade question. Therefore, I don't know. This is the answer is it correct or there are some errors, but I hope that my calculation is okay. If there are some mistake, please correct me in the comment. But I believe this is a very nice method to practice the techniques of integrations, and I hope this is correct. And thank you for your watching.